Want to turn your bets into a sky-high payout? Buckle up for the Aviator game. Step 1. Choose a reputable online casino. Betway, Hollywood Bets. Pick a licensed platform you trust. Step 2. Create and fund your account. Register, verify, and deposit using your favorite payment method. Step 3. Navigate to the Aviator game. Find it under Instant Games or Casino in the game lobby. Step 4. Place your bets. Enter your stake and confirm before the timer runs out. You can even place 2 bets for different strategies. Step 5. Watch the plane take off and the multiplier grow. The longer it flies, the higher the potential payout. Step 6. Cash out before the plane flies away. Click Cash Out at the right moment to secure your winnings. Bonus: consider auto features for ease. Set auto bets or auto cash out to stick to your game plan. Key tips: timing is everything, manage your bankroll, start small, and always play responsibly. Fly smart, and may your multipliers be ever in your favor.